So we got this situation to handle. Let f of x be a real valued function such that f0 is 1 by 2. This is important. And this situation, so let's rewrite the given condition. F of x plus y equals f of x f of a minus y plus f of y f of a minus x. So this thing is given. Then for some real a, so you have to comment on f of x. So the point is you have to find out who is f of x, and then in options they have given you some situations about that function and you have to comment on that. Okay, so look at this, how we will crack these kind of situations. So you know that you have to handle this f of 0. If you'll observe, you have x, you have y, you have a. So what I want you to do is just replace x and y with 0 and see what happens next. But keep this thing in your mind that your motive is to find out who is f of x. Okay, so do anything but try to calculate who is f of x. So the first step towards the question is we are replacing x and y with 0. So can we write f of 0 equals f of 0 f of a plus f of 0 f of a. Now who is f of 0? Can I divide both sides by f of 0? F of 0 is 1 by 2. We can divide this thing, this thing, this thing gone. So can I write 1 is equal to 2 times f of a. So we got f of a as 1 by 2. I hope till this part you guys are super comfortable. Now the point is we need to calculate who is f of x. Now you have two information that you have extracted, that f of 0 is 1 by 2 and f of a is 1 by 2 again. And your motive was to calculate who is f of x. So for time being, can I replace y with 0 and see what happens? So we have f of x equals f of x f of a plus f of 0 f of a, है ना? Now you know that f of a is 1 by 2. Okay, and like what I want to do is, this is 1 by 2, so can I take f of x this side, so it will become f of x minus f of x by 2, which will become 1 by 2 f of x. So we got f of 0. Who is f of 0? F of 0 is 1 by 2. Who is f of a? F of a is also 1 by 2. This thing gone. So can we say that f of x is 1 by 2? Okay, so we got our function f of x as 1 by 2. Now what are the comments you can pass on this function? Now just look at this. What do you think this function is, 1 1 or many 1? It's a many 1 function, no? At so many input you will get same output, that is 1 by 2. Now what do you think, this function is periodic or not? Yes, it is periodic. The constant functions are periodic, although their fundamental period is not defined, but it is periodic and it's a constant function. I hope you got the idea, you got the approach, and I wish you guys you can connect this idea into some similar kind of situations as well. Okay,